Alrighty, it is summer and it is getting hot. I know it's not hot right now, but that's why we're gonna take the doors off real quick and just make it so it's more fun to drive, right? So if you guys are wondering how to do it, this is how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a little more simple because there's gonna be a lot of just unscrewing stuff at the very beginning. And then when we go to put the doors back on, we might have to do some more work so we can take them off easier next time. This is what it looks like now. And then this, as you guys can see, I already did one side. I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. So we're just gonna go step by step, get it done, and go out and play. And later, when we go back, like to put the doors on, which will be a separate video, which I'll link at the end of this once I have it done, we're gonna cut it right there so we can just basically just slip it on, just like another Jeep. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove the wires that are in there. We might have to take the side panel off just to access it because there's gonna be this whole bunch of plugs in the front. So we'll be able to unplug those mostly, I think, and then we'll be able to pull out those wires down the side. And then we're going to start on the doors, which have 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, and you just slowly work your way at it. I used a torch, basically, and just kind of heated up those bolts just so they wouldn't stay stuck. I know they'd probably come out anyway, so it just made it a little easier. And then after that, I just pulled everything out, held the door in place while I was removing it, and just kind of, you can do it with one person, but 2 people are always helpful, but I'm just doing it by myself. We're getting that done, pull off the door, and then we can start on the back, which is pretty much the same thing, other than I have to basically pull the pin on that little metal piece right there, hammer it out, and then also go ahead and cut the wires in the back because there's no clips going in there. But after I cut it, we're gonna go back after when we put the doors on, we're gonna put a connector there so they'll be okay. And then we took the bolts out one by one, pulled the door off, and then we were done. So yeah, let's look at the end product. And there she is. Oh yeah, look at that. That's actually kind of cool. If you look at it. Nice. Don't mind the different color, you know, seat. Hey, not bad. I like it. So anyways, I will have I'm gonna basically change these up, or gonna cut these a little bit, but that's when you put them on. I'll link it at the end of the video if you want to see those. But yeah, it wasn't too hard, just took some time, got it all done. And yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. If you guys want to see more pictures of it, just go follow me on Instagram right there. And then yeah, subscribe, see more videos like this, other Jeep stuff, and I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya. Whoop.